The second book I got for Christmas is this one, How to Draw Hairstyles for Manga. Learn to draw hair for expressive manga and anime characters. Hello everyone. Hair can be tricky to draw if you're not sure how to start. I know myself I had a hard time doing it. And once you learn one style, you keep drawing just that because you have a hard time learning a new one. This is where this book comes in. Hair is an important part of your character. Just like clothes, it tells a lot about the character you are drawing. Morning hair, work hair, etc. In this book you will get new ideas for hairstyles for both male and female characters and also a few step-by-step guides. The step-by-step guides is for both male and female and in the early stages of the book. After that you need to figure out how to do it yourself. You just need to learn how hair grows and things will get much more simpler for you. They will show variation of different hairstyles, from traditional to movement of hair, yes, for both male and female characters. The only downside I have found with this book is there is more hairstyle for female than male, and I prefer drawing men. From one thing to another, I have a Ko-fi account, where you can follow me to see all new art first before I upload them on any other social media platform. You can also find a donation button, membership where you can get some benefits like seeing work in process and behind the scenes, and of course a little shop with wallpapers. Back to the video. This book was released late 2022 by Rockport Publishing. And even if this book is focused for manga and anime, this book will come handy for everyone. There is 18 different artists in this book drawing in their preferred style. And that is kinda nice, it gives more inspiration to the reader. And just like any other book focusing on manga, translated from Japanese, there's no colors. But they have a few pages on how to add shadow on hair to make it more realistic. This book is not a complete step-by-step guide on how to draw hair. It will give you inspiration on the topic and show here and there the flow of the hair. It's not like a beginner's book, it's for you who are stuck with hairstyles and want more inspiration. You will learn how the hair moves when you do certain activity among other nice touches. It's a great companion to have at your side. Until next video, happy drawing!